Hello, today I am going to talk about time. What the topic is, what is time? Everyone knows what is time. I know what is time. But just think, if you have to define what is time, because if someone asks me what is time, I can't say what is time. The fact is, I don't know. It's like basics. Everyone knows what is time, but nobody can define what is time. Let's look at some of the definitions. I try to Google it out. As per Newton, the famous scientist, he says, I do not define time, space, place, and motion as being well known to all. So even Newton said the time is known to everyone, so there is no need to define. But there is a dictionary definition of time. In Merriam-Webster dictionary, the time means a period during which action, process, or condition exists or continues. Again, I am saying the time means a period during which action, process, or condition exists or continues. But when you go at the definition of period in the same dictionary, it says an extent of time. That means you cannot define time unless you know what is period, and you cannot define period unless you know what is time. Isn't it a complex situation? We don't know what is the definition of time. Even the dictionary could not define it properly. So we can say, okay, what is time? The time is a measure in which the events are ordered from past through present into future, and also the measure of duration of those events and the intervals between them. Somebody has given this definition. Makes little sense, but still it is not the exact definition of time. What it says that okay, you can only know okay past, present, and future, so you can put the events in that order, and also could be the measure of duration of those events or the interval between those events. So one of the definition, maybe it's psychological kind of thing, one of the best definition I have seen, the time is very relative term. Time is slow when you wait, and it is fast when you are late. Time is deadly when you are sad. Time is short when you are happy. The time is endless when you are in pain. Time is long when you are bored. So every time the time is determined by your feeling and psychological conditions and not by the clocks. And last it says, so have a nice time always, but in this whole thing, the time is never nicer to us. Whatever the way we want it, it is exactly opposite. But yes, this is one of the fact that it is determined by the feelings and psychological conditions. But when it say everyone knows the time, what does the time means to you? Do you think the time is a spending or it is investing? What I liked into all this research is the time is a precious commodity and it's very limited. Everyone has a 24 hours in a day. So we have to decide, are we spending the time or are we investing the time? Because that's the most precious commodity and most limited commodity. We have to find the balance while using the time. It's very funny. It's such a precious commodity. It's the only thing we cannot get it back. We are just spending it. The time is going every moment. We can't get it back. And that's why it's very important how we spend our time and how we invest our time. These 24 hours or 1440 minutes or 86,400 seconds. If you are youngsters, think how are you going to use this time every day to build up your future, build up your life. Even if you are not youngsters, it still applies to rest of our life. The life teaches us good use of the time, and time teaches us the values of the life. When we are young, when we are young, we have to utilize the time. Otherwise, the life is going to teach us how we should be using the life. So never stay where the time is not valued, because the time is very precious. We cannot stop it. It is getting away from us every moment. So our time has to be valued. We have to learn, and we have to earn every moment. So we don't find the time, we make the time. And that's what is the biggest secret of our life. Remember, the time is free, but it is priceless. We cannot purchase it. You cannot own the time, but you can always use the time. You can't keep it, but you can spend it. You can invest into it. And once you lost it, you can never get it back. And that's what is all about time. Thank you. If you like my recordings, my videos, please do subscribe to my channel and please do share it.